You know how we all have heard that we need to maintain routines, right? So I finally had a routine where everything was sorted. Everything I did had timelines, had okay, this thing will be done at this particular time, this thing will be done then, and everything kind of worked. I finally thought a few weeks back that I was finally getting into the groove of it. Something happened and you had to sleep late. Something happened and you had to not be at home for the whole day. Something happened and your exam started. Something happened and you got sick. Something happened and you just couldn't do the work you were supposed to do in that particular time, and everything else fell like a domino. You know what I mean? And and at the end, if everything else is fine, congratulations, you're born with a uterus. Like, it's so weird, and it is so. Because my idea of routine was once you get to that ideal stage where you've found what all you need to do to make the best of the out of the day, I thought that was it. I thought that okay, you get to a stage where you are doing everything that you're supposed to do, and once you have got an idea, okay, I can manage everything like that. Once it happens, and then you're good to go, right? No, it doesn't happen like that. Every day, like, if you happen to miss for one day, it is for you to get back to it as quickly as possible, because if you don't, you'll be in the position where I am, because since my finals have started, I haven't been able to do the stuff I was supposed to do. एंड देन जितना हो रहा था वो तबीयत खराब होने पर रुक गया, और लाइक it is weird, okay? And everything you read in these books, consistency and trying to get better 1%, trying to get 1% better every day, these things I read, I didn't know what it mean. But right now, experiencing all of these things, क्योंकि इसके पहले तक, I'll be honest, I didn't reach that routine वाला part also. I was not able to do two things in a day also. So once I reached that point that okay, I know how to manage everything, I thought that okay, this is it, now I'm gonna do this forever, like till I want. But I thought but that bubble really broke. But that bubble bursted quite early, that it doesn't happen like that. That 1% better is the person who said that knows that it is not possible for all days to be same. It is not possible that you will have everything according to you. You'll have days where you'll not be able to do nothing, and then it is up to you how quick you bounce back and how quickly you do the stuff that you're supposed to do. And it's not just about academics, it is about literally everything. Like, I decided that I literally look like a panda right now. My dark circles have gone insane, and it was like a point where I had just started gaining consistency on getting it better, and it stopped. BMI इंडेक्स के अंदर, लाइक अ हेल्दी BMI इंडेक्स, समथिंग लाइक दैट, कुछ ऐसा होता है ना, उसमें वेट आने को ही होता है और तबीयत ख़राब हो जाती है, और जितना मेहनत लगती है टू गेन दैट वेट, इट इज़ गॉन इन लाइक 3 days. So I just feel that I had a myth that this is how it works, that it doesn't work like that. You'll have to do it every day, right? So to do it every day, but then how do people do it every day? Because there's always something that makes it not happen. I am really confused right now because I have no answers to it. These books I have to read. I think I need to read these books again to get my answer, because बोलना तो बहुत अच्छा होता है, बट उसको एग्जीक्यूट कैसे करें यार? लाइक, इट्स रियली डिफिकल्ट. राइट नाउ आई नो मुझे क्या क्या करना है, बट हाउ डू आई मेक इट हैपन? I don't know. Like, I'm really confused, and I think this is the confusion that many people around me have. From everything I've talked right now, one thing I can say for sure is I've understood that no 2 days will be same. Try to be 1% better every day means you need to be better than yesterday. Now, it might be like, it is possible that yesterday you were really great or you were really bad, and at the end of the day whether you were good or bad, today all you have to do is try to be better than that. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, to the solution of routines, I have no clear answer to this, and if you have one, please tell me. And yeah, एंड इफ़ यू थिंक कि मैंने ऐसे डिसाइड किया है और ऐसे ही होगा, तो वैसा नहीं होता है. या आई थॉट दैट, आई रियली थॉट दैट आई हैव डिसाइडेड नाउ आई विल नॉट गो आउटसाइड, आई विल नॉट डू, बट इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट. It's not in your hands. Sometimes you can't just leave everything, and I'll reset, and I'm learning. And if you're learning too, make sure to subscribe and we can learn together. And I'll be back with more confusion and more Adha solution. Oh wow. That's a nice line. I'll come back with some more confusion and also with some Adhe solution. Good. Okay, see you. Bye bye.